Alright, let's get real for a second. If you've ever found yourself overthinking how to take things to that next level with someone special, you're not alone. Most guys either freeze up or go way too fast, neither of which works, trust me. Here's the deal. It's all about trust and comfort, not cheesy lines or rushing things. Start slow. A simple touch on her back when you open the door, or gently taking her arm as you walk. These little moves build real connection. Now, want to up your game? Whisper something soft in her ear. The words don't even matter as much as your intention. Keep your voice low and calm. That little whisper can send serious shivers down her spine. Building anticipation is key. Tease her. Playful jokes, flirty looks, a gentle touch on her hair. You want her laughing and relaxed, not tense. And when it comes to the kiss, go in slow. Brush your lips lightly, pull back, smile. Make it fun, not frantic. If she's into it, you'll feel her energy shift. And that's your green light to keep going. But listen, privacy matters. Your place is way better than some random hotel. Make her comfortable with candles, music, maybe a chill massage. Start with her hands or neck. Don't rush, just watch her vibe. If she's into it, she'll let you know. Best tip I can give: let her make the next move sometimes. Guide her hand, but never force it. If she wants more, she'll show you. And above all, never ever cross her boundaries. Consent is everything. If she's not feeling it, respect that. Remember, confidence is attractive, but respect is unforgettable. Want to know more about leveling up your lifestyle? Hit subscribe and stay tuned.